over Osheaga, it's time for heavy metal. This weekend, Parc Jean Drapeau will be taken over by heavy metal fans. It's a festival called Heavy Montreal. Andrew Arsenault is with the Montreal heavy metal band of Temples. And Don Emar was, well, he's a heavy metal fan. And welcome to you both.
Yeah,
I want to start with you, Andrew. First off, I want to start by saying not all the bands look like that.
Oh, definitely
because
not.
we've got a video of your band and, you know.
Yeah, we're not dressed up like aliens from outer space.
Okay, and we're taking a look at it now. What's the attraction for you?
Heavy music to me has always been much different than mainstream music. It's very energetic. It entices you with all the energy, raw emotion. That's what's always brought me towards it.
And here you sit. I love the contrast. Okay, so you went last year to Heavy Montreal. You're going back. What is it for you? Because your son's going too.
Yeah, he's been going for about 4 or 5 years, and the first couple of years he used to go on his own, and kind of worried that people in black shirts and everything, but it's really a community. It's they do the mosh pit, and if someone falls, they pick them back up. It's not it's actually safer to go to the mosh pit probably than a Montreal Bruins game in the cheap seats. So.
Well, it's interesting because I think, when I was talking to both of you yesterday, what both came up was that sense of community. It looks really rough. It looks really aggressive. You have tattoos citing back to René Descartes and Karl Marx, okay? So that's pretty impressive. So it's really a show, isn't it? It's a lot more than just music.
Yeah, well, we had a discussion earlier, and it's a very good analogy of it is heavy metal is to rock what the WWE is to wrestling. It's not just that. It's a show. It's entertainment. It's more than what you expect to see, and that's what makes it so exciting.
It's the costumes.
Yeah, well, if you look at Gore, then definitely it's the costumes.
Yeah,
but,
yeah, absolutely. And you started off. I mean, you were. Black Sabbath. I remember Black Sabbath
and Deep Purple.
Deep Purple, yeah.
And you kind of listen to the Who and that kind of music. But then as you get older too, you still listen to the new. My son listens to a lot of Avenged Sevenfold is his favorite band, which is headlining on Saturday, I think.
Yeah.
So and you listen to it and you actually enjoy it too. And there's a lot of people you see a lot of fathers and sons or even families go to the festivals, and you see like 7, 8, 9-year-old kids who go to these festivals, and you don't have to be worried about the safety of because it's pretty tame when you consider how many people are there, and there's no fights and that kind of stuff. You always kind of think that's what's going to happen, but
it's almost like it's a well-kept secret, though, isn't it? Because among the people who follow heavy metal, you don't really hear the music that much on mainstream radio. Not everybody is aware of all the different bands.
Well, I hope I don't sound redundant by saying this, but maybe the reason why it's so appealing, heavy music is so appealing to its fans, is because it doesn't appeal to the majority of people who listen to music, So, and it is kind of like a good kept secret, but like you said, it's like a community, it's like a brotherhood. When you go to a show, someone falls down, you just pick them up. It's common courtesy.
Well, that's what I found so interesting. You said that sometimes in the mosh pit, somebody loses a shoe, and people will actually sort of stand back and let people
hold it up, ask whose shoe is this?
Yeah, and they actually protect you. If someone falls, there's 6 people kind of making blocking to make sure the rest of the people in the mosh pit who don't see the person with one leg standing up get knocked down. So then after that, as soon as the person's got their 2 feet down on the ground, they shove them because that's the way. Welcome back. Like family.
Yeah, it is really like a family thing. Okay, so I'm assuming you're not going to be looking like this.
No, I'll be wearing shorts because
sweat like crazy.
And usually I don't wear a black shirt, so I want to stand out in case somebody's looking for me. But definitely 90% of the people there are wearing black t-shirts.
Well, I wore black today just in honor of this.
Okay, see.
Okay, and your band is playing this weekend?
Yes, we're playing at 1 p.m. on Sunday, August 11th on the Galaxy stage. So if anyone's intrigued by us, please come out.
Hope the weather is good, and that's on the Parc Jean Drapeau, right?
Yes, it is.
Great. Thank you both so much for coming.
Thank you very
much.
We'll be right back.
Have a great day.